Hello there, language learners. Welcome back to our English learning channel. I'm Miss Nadia, and today I've got something extra special for you. We're going to be diving into the world of online games on a website called Wordwall that'll make your English learning journey not only effective but incredibly enjoyable. So the first thing I wanted to say is that I will be posting the links to these games in the comments section below. These games all practice things we have learnt before, such as the alphabet, numbers 1 to 20, and greetings. I will also add links to these videos in the comments below. Our first game is an alphabet match-up game. So press start and you're presented with a number of colourful buttons.
Small d.
Click on each one and you will hear the letter.
Small d.
You then drag and drop the rectangle into the right space. Small d. That was. Let's try another one.
Capital F. Capital F. Capital F.
Capital F. That's a big F.
Small h. Small h.
Small h. Let's try and put it in the wrong place and see what happens. Okay, so you submit answers and it will tell you which ones are correct. Let's move on to the next one, which is an alphabet quiz. A is for apple. B is for ball. And it tells you that it is correct. Let's try and get this one wrong. C is for cat, of course. The next game is a numbers game. For numbers 1 to 20, you have to match the words with the numbers. So our first one is number 8, and you match it with a word. Then we have a word, 13. We need to find the number. Okay. Let's try and see what happens if we get one wrong. 20. Okay, it tells us straight away. And now we move on to our fourth and last game. This is a greetings anagram. So the letters here are in the wrong order. We need to put the words in the right order. Let's see what happens. Okay, if we make a mistake, it tells us straight away. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed these games, and please go to the comment sections for links to the games and other videos. Thank you.